Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So what I'll be doing today is another confetti soap. I did one about a month ago, and if I don't forget and I can figure out how to do it, I'll stick a picture of it right here. Anyway, when I did that, I did the bottom was black soap, and it had light embeds, and the top was orange soap that had dark embeds. Well, I had way more embeds than I needed for that soap, so I'm going to use them up in this soap, only instead of 2 layers, I'm just going to put them all together into a white base, and I'm just going to pour a green top on. Emerald green is one of my new favorite greens from Nurture Soap. I just really love this green. So it will be just a thin layer on top with no confetti in it. And since this is a fun soap, I'm fragrancing this with Nature's Garden Black Raspberry Vanilla. Used it several times. It holds up better than probably any fragrance I've ever used. For some reason, it always accelerates on me, and other people say it doesn't, but in this instance, I don't care if it does, because I want my bottom to sit up quickly so I can get my embed suspended and pour it. Let's make some soap. There is a 10% water discount because I'll be using a lot of titanium dioxide, and I'm soaping about 100 degrees, so I shouldn't have any problem with this setting up. I just hope it doesn't set up too quickly on me, but we will find out. So, blending everything just to emulsion, or just barely below emulsion. That is good to start. Because I definitely will stick blend a little bit more, especially with titanium dioxide. So, I'm going to pour off just a little bit, which will be the green on the top. Let's get our TD into here to lighten this up. This is already pre-mixed in oil. And we'll hand stir this in at first. I need a little bit more. Oops, I'm about to put the green in. That would be good. So this is the base. This will definitely have to be stick blended. Holding up amazingly well. So let's put the majority of our fragrance in and see what happens. We'll save just a little bit for the top. will be the first time it behaves on me when I want it to set up quickly. But while it is behaving, let's stir our embeds in quickly. Our confetti embeds. Stir these in. Still holding up. I stick blended quite a good bit. But let's get this into the mold in case it starts to set up suddenly. Look at that. Can you believe that? Every time I have used this, it's accelerated on me. And the one time that I planned on it, it won't. I soaked warm, I stick blended a good bit, even with the fragrance, and look at it. So let's shimmy and shake. Even though it doesn't need it because it's so fluid. So folks, I'll have to shut you down for a few minutes. Get you a little bit closer. I'm going to shut us down and I'll be back. Okay, now it's finally firm enough that it can have the top layer poured onto it. So let's get it colored. The rest of our fragrance in. And hit it with the stick blender. Just kind of tap that down in there, because this is sitting up now. Of course, it's been sitting a while too. And why not go ahead and put just a few poppy seeds on top. And because I don't want this pretty green to ash over, I will spray this with alcohol. Let it sit about 5 minutes, spray it again, and put it to bed. Folks, y'all stay safe, and I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for the cut. Alright, thanks for watching now. Bye. Alright, so 12 hours later, we're back, and it looks as though we've achieved our goals. It's nice and bright and white and colorful with the confetti, slick glass sides. I like the front. So let's just split this into 2 logs and cut it into bars and see what we have. Alright, are you ready? Good. Nice and bright and festive and no glycerin rivers. I was a little concerned because I used a lot of TD in this, but no glycerin rivers. So these will all pretty much look the same, so I won't cut the whole log here on camera. Just cut a few to give you an idea. Yeah, that is 100% what I was planning on, what I was hoping for. I like that. So anyway, these are all going to look the same. I won't bore you with the cut showing you every single bar since they're all going to look the same. I'll post a picture at the end of all of them put together, but this is exactly what I'd planned for. A nice bright soap with lots of colorful confetti in it and an emerald green top. So folks, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you next week. All right then, bye.